Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what you can do to enhance the flavor of your meals, especially stew, jollof rice, pasta. Wash your tomatoes and peppers. I'm using shepherd pepper, that is tatashi, and scotch bonnet. You can also use chili pepper, bell peppers, any pepper at all. Just add everything and then cut them into two, as you can see, and place on a baking sheet. You can equally use a parchment paper to line your baking sheet. You can see my onions, ginger, and garlic. I have enough of them. I'll go ahead to clean them up and slice. Over here I have my leek and parsley. Coming to take you off the cameras. The cameras. I'll be removing some part of the parsley stalk so we achieve a very smooth paste at the end. Go. Boom, 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 boom. It costs me. See, now now I'm distributing the herbs and the vegetables on the tomatoes and peppers. I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you are still watching till this time. Like this video, drop your comments. Thank you. Now I'm brushing with some oil. You can still spray using a spray bottle. This is to prevent it from charring. Ịgba ọkụ, ịma ihe wee ịgba ọkụ, ire ere. Don't mind me. After now, I will roast in my oven. This is what you should be aiming at. When it cools off, you blend and then package every. You can store in Ziploc bag. You can store them in your freezer. You can still play around with the herbs. I mean, it mustn't be parsley and leek. Yours might do parsley, leek, and oregano, or oregano and parsley, cilantro and thyme, rosemary. Just play around with the herbs. They all have their unique flavor, so you can just do whatever that works for you. So that is that for now. Bye.